Hi guys, I just want to say thank you so much for over 200 subscribers, which is basically just 201. But guess what? Thank you. But I actually do have a YouTube channel, and I like play Roblox and stuff on there. So I was hoping to get over 100 subscribers on there, but like I got like 28 subscribers on there. I don't really care, but yeah, just please go follow that. But I'm just thank you so much for over 200 subscribers. Peppa, say thank you. Well, I hope you have a wonderful day. Hopefully, you have a wonderful day and do great on whatever. If you have a test today, you're going to do awesome. All right, thank you so much, guys. Bye.